Welcome everybody. This is a new Rhino tutorial for Boolean, dis-Boolean functions. I will show you 3 demonstrations through which we can cut out objects from solids. This is called Boolean and Boolean difference or Boolean split. These are called Boolean functions in 3D environment. So let's start. So I have taken a solid block, a cube and a cylinder. So suppose I need a hole here. Okay, I want to make a hole from this cylinder. So what will I do? I will place the cylinder here. I am placing the cylinder here. Let's go to the perspective view. See, the cylinder is going across this cube, and now I will select the cube, and in the command box I will type Boolean difference, and now it's asking us to select surfaces or polysurfaces to subtract with. So now we will select this cylinder and we will click enter or right click in our mouse. See what happened. The place where the cylinder was placed, it has actually scooped out the solid, scooped out the part in which it was present. So this is called Boolean difference. Again I'm showing you. Suppose I want to make a hole here. I am placing this cylinder here which is going across, and now I can select the cube, and in the command box I can type Boolean difference, or I can just simply selecting nothing. I haven't selected anything, and in the command box I am typing Boolean difference. And now it's asking us select surfaces or polysurfaces to subtract from. So to subtract from, I want to subtract this cylinder from this cube. So I will first select the cube and right click on my mouse or enter. Now it's asking for select surfaces or surfaces to subtract with. Then now I'm selecting the cylinder and right click or enter. See this. It can be done like this also if we want a depression only and not a full hole across. Again I am typing Boolean difference, selecting the cube first, right click, then selecting the cylinder and right click. See this. This is called Boolean difference. Okay, so now I am showing you another demonstration. Suppose there are these spheres I have made with the help of this basic shapes, and I am now placing these spheres one by one. See this, like this I am placing these spheres in the big sphere. This all of these are going inserting inside the biggest sphere. Now if I in the command box I am typing Boolean difference, selecting the first sphere, select surface or polysurface to subtract from. I want to subtract these small spheres from this big sphere, so I am selecting the first sphere first, then right click or enter. Now so same thing, I am selecting the cutting objects or subtracting objects, and now right click. See this. So this is the function of Boolean difference. Okay, so now I am showing you a quick demonstration of how this Boolean difference is very useful in making regular objects in jewelry. See, in the front view I have drawn this curve. I have taken a circle from the center and I have drawn this ring shape. I have drawn the one side first from the middle, and then I take the mirror copy and then I join them. Now I have this curve and this curve. Okay, so now I'm selecting this. I'm selecting this and I'm extrude curve both sides. Suppose in the top view, let's go to top view, and I am this much. So what we have got, see this, we have got a ring type of shape. Now in the right view, I am drawing a graduation shape for the ring like this. Okay, and now again in the front view, extrude curve both sides. Again the right view, taking the mirror copy the y-axis. Now select this ring, Boolean difference, select the cutting objects and right click, select the curve and delete. See, we have a ring here, and again if I want something in the top, suppose I am taking a block here from the center, 0, enter, and I am drawing a block, front view, and I'm placing the block here like this. Selecting in the command box, I'm typing Boolean difference, selecting the first object, right click, then again this cutting object and right click. See this, select the curves and hide them, and I'm going to the rendered view. See this, I'm changing the color, this color I'm changing. Okay, close. Now you can see this, what has happened. A simple gents ring is made in a few minutes with the help of Boolean difference. The same way we can make a inside object and cut and make this hollow with the help of Boolean difference. So this is the function of Boolean difference, through which we can cut out solid objects or scoop out extra metal or scoop out some solid parts with the help of a cutting object. Okay, that's all.